Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 40049, and this is the mini Sopwith Camel, and I hope I said that right. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these Polybag videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. And I've done one of these videos a day, every day for the recent past. So there's a decent number of them already out there if you like this kind of thing, and there's plenty more on the way. Now, I've included a link in the description where you can find this on Amazon and also on Bricklink. And there's also a link to the brick set page if you just want information about this particular set. One thing that I do want to point out, though, about this particular set is this set can randomly be a little more expensive than some other sets. So just shop around for it and make sure you get a decent price if you want to do this particular set, because you should be able to find them, you know, not like $10 is probably about what you want to pay for it, as of, at least as of the making of this video. They shouldn't be a lot more than $10. I mean, you may have to pay like $11 or something, but you don't want to spend like $20 for this particular set. It's just, it's one of those things, like, it's a little bit of a, maybe a little more scarce set, but it's not like so scarce that it should be really, really expensive either. Alright, so let's take a look and see what we got. So, oh wow, okay, so this is going to be, this is looking like it's going to be pretty decent sized, right? Alright, so I got that. That goes there, and then 1 and 2, and then those. So this is going to have a decent wingspan for a little polybag. It's kind of cool. Alright, so we flip it over, and we're going to attach these here to help keep these two pieces together, and the same for the other side. Which I kind of like. I mean, like, at least they're paying attention to making sure these things sort of stick together. Now we flip it back over, and I kind of lost my train of thought for a second just then. Alright, so flip it over. So this goes right here, and we put this piece here. It's going to provide our propeller, and then we build this up a little bit. This goes here, and then we're going to have the darker gray piece right there, and two of these nifty sand green pieces, and they'll also provide a little extra support for the wings with those two separate pieces. Alright. Now I'm adding another piece here. Alright, so another piece to build up what's probably going to be the engine. And then that brick, and then a slope like that, and then the 3 1x2 transparent pieces, and we build up the engine, like the at least for the propeller a little bit, which is going to make it look kind of neat. So we got that here. Alright. So we're going to have two more nice pieces of like sand grain tile here and here. And these are going to go here and here. And these will support the top wings. I'm assuming when we get around to adding those on. And like so. Alright, so this gets us to there. Now we got to make the tail piece. So the tail piece is going to be 1x6 or 2x6, and a couple of jumpers, a couple of pieces, a couple of 1x2 tiles of the sand green variety, and then we got a 1x3 and two 1x1s that go like that. Line this up so they're all nice and lined up. And then that. And two of these. It's got a little bit more color on it than I was expecting. Which is, I mean, it's cool. I like it. Alright. So that takes care of, oops, takes care of the tail. And so this goes on here, like so, and then it'll attach like so to that. So that's the plane, or that's the weight, the tail on the plane. Alright, so next thing we gotta do is we gotta add some more wing pieces. Shoulder wing piece. I'm thinking I screwed up somewhere. I'm thinking this should not be, this should be somewhere instead of an 8 by. Let's see where I made my mistake. Alright, that went there. That went here. This is the one. This is the problem. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's the problem. Right there. That's what I did. Alright. So we'll pop this thing off. And we'll pop this one back on. Well, that's weird now. Alright, so we got that piece. This takes care of the wing. And then something's weird. This one needs to be... Alright, so this piece needs to be farther up. Alright, well, kind of messed a couple of things up, didn't I? I'll get this fixed real quick. Maybe we'll get this fixed real quick. Yeah, we'll get this fixed real quick. So this pops off here, like so, and then the wing goes back on, and then this goes on like this. Alright, so that gets us more of what we're looking for. Alright. So now, This goes on like so. It attaches right there to this thing. And then this one attaches here and here. The same with these. That one goes down like that. And that one goes down like that. Alright, so that's pretty good. And now this goes on here to hold it on. And two more of the sand green pieces for the front. And then these go here. This one goes here. Yeah, they're two away from the end. These go here and here. And then we've got the two little white dishes with the little red pieces on top. I'm going to pop these on before I pop this onto the thing on the top of it, just to make it a little easier to put on, like so, and like so. And then two more little end pieces for the wing there. And this is going to go here and here, like so. So I guess it's to here, this is to here. Alright, so now we gotta take care of this part, where this is going to go like so. And our wheels pop on. And this goes right there, directly underneath the propeller. And then we pop the propeller on. Alright, well that's kind of cool. Mistakes aside and whatnot, these are our extra pieces. So, let's see. Looks like a pretty good little airplane. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.